You will receive 2 boxes. Unpack the box and take out the massage chair's main unit and armrests. Connect the power cord and turn on the switch to automatically reset the chair. Connect color-matched power and airbag hoses between the main unit and armrest. Please ensure that the airbag hoses are fully and firmly connected. Stow the wiring harness under the seat. Slot the 2 armrest metal pieces into the backrest and seat. Insert a screw and washer to secure the armrest to the main unit. Tighten the screw. Repeat for the other armrest and tighten the screw. Zip up. Remove the 6 hook and loop fastener protective strips on the backrest. Connect the power cord. Secure the cushion to the backrest and seat and adjust it to a suitable position. Zip up the cushion and footrest. Install the screen holder and tighten it. Place the LCD screen on the holder. Turn on the massage chair and get ready to enjoy a massage.